All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, Marty. How are you, Matthew? Good to see you safe, my man. Let's get it done. Let's get going. All right, guys. So the market is captain set up short on the 100 NT Rinko. That's a big deal. That's going to push the market a little bit lower here with a stop above 200. So we're getting a push right now. Rallies are shortable on a scalping basis till we hit below 21,100. Happy Friday, everybody. Fast market, fast market, fast market right here. All right, speed, range, and behavior. Speed, fast, range is basically we're in a downward trend and the market is rallying as a counter trend. So really, this is not an expanding price action. The behavior so far till we break 21,200, this is a short market. Even though that the 100 NT Rinko, the 200 NT Rinko is positive, just the overall structure of the market is a bit negative here. So we need to see more information out of the market. Sheila, good morning. Good morning to you. Hey, Becca. Good morning. Yeah, I mean, there's the market is out of sync right now. So let's take a quick look at this because a captain set up. Look at that! Holy crap! So this is the 100 NT Rinko, and this is really good stuff right here. Captain set up short. Another one right here. Then another one right here. Another one right here. So against that the 200, I mean that is a stop for any short. So we can look at these structures that's happening here as an opportunity to really kind of fade this type of behavior against that level. But I mean, look at that. Captain setup, reacted. Captain setup, huge. Captain setup, huge. Captain setup to the middle of the range. And now retesting. So you don't want to see 2100. That's basically the bottom line. I mean, that's a nice push up. And the market gets back in sync. So they're fighting it here. They're fighting it. Yeah, another switched trade here. So now rallies are shortable. Rallies are short, but that was a good rally actually. I needed to come in on that one. Here we go. Market is in sync on the long side. I mean, on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 77. So let's get active here. We're at a whole number, 100. We should expect a bit of a counter trend here. They're probably going to run it up to the middle of the range, like 15, 20. Here it comes. Yeah, the shorts are very strong. 77, we got almost there. We're almost there. Captain set up short. It is fast, Rebecca, but you know what? Let's go. We're gonna have to adjust to whatever the market is, and with a new president coming in, my prior experience with him is he adds a lot more volatility to the market, which is really good for us as traders. So we gotta have to get used to this fast market. All right, so if you're watching the 70 NT Rinko, you're gonna we have a switch trade. So if we go anything above 100, that's gonna be a captain setup long on the 100 NT Rinko. So that'll be a counter trend behavior that's gonna push us into the 15, potentially 25. So watch out for that 102. Come on, baby. Give me something here. Ah, oh, see how fast that is. I can't get it. I cannot get it like that. Yeah, let it pull back. Damn, that's nasty. Wow. All right, let's keep working here. I mean, that's kind of the market we're dealing with. Captain set up short. Yeah. We're gonna have to go long. Come on, man. Here it goes. Thank you. I'll take that one. It's a wild one, guys. It's a wild one. Taking a flat on that one. So I'm playing. Let me show you what I'm playing. Yeah, it's not this captain setup. Okay, so they come and retest it, flush everybody, run it back up. They're gonna try to do the same thing. So this area right here is a bit of a support for price structure. Now I wouldn't be surprised if we see 110 again, but the market is on the 200 is short, and we're seeing a pocket of buyers stepping in and around that captain setup on the 100 on the 70 NT Rinko. Here you go again. See the you're gonna go to 110. It's fast. Like I got stopped out completely, like once, and it wasn't fun. Tell you that much. Here comes that 110 again. Boom. Potential captain set up short on the 50 NT Rinko. Watch out. Watch out. So we're hitting harmony zone number 2, which is resistance, and coming back to it. Now they're breaking the 50 NT Rinko. I think it's a good idea for us to kind of take it easy here. I woke up this morning wanting to swing at this market. Wow, that's nasty. Okay. Watch this crap. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna be out of that trade. Damn it. I'm getting too cute with this market. Getting too cute with this market. Yeah, it's short, and I'm trying to see if I can catch a bounce. The shorts are the dominant force, so let's not reinvent the wheel here. Market is out of sync. So a lot of consolidation in the middle of the range. Market is out of sync. ES, that's a big deal right here. Captain set up and they broke it. So that's a bearish behavior. Look at that. I mean, the shorts are, I mean, whenever the market rallies a little bit, the shorts come in fairly quickly. How's the market treating the stops right now? All these stops to the upsides are getting run over by aggressive shorts. And when the longs come in, they come in with a lower high most of the time. Captain set up long on the 40 and T-Rinco. They're trying to stabilize it here. The market is in sync on the short side right now. The swing trade target is 275. So it's this line right here, which is a whole number. So they're gonna come and try to defend that. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. We got 4 minutes, 4 minutes to the top of the hour. And we have preliminary consumer sentiment at the top of the hour. So that's going to be an important piece of news and will be a market mover. Look at that. That switch trade. That's good. They're stabilizing the captain subs. There's two of them. One on the 30, one on the 40, and they're trying to hold on to this price. So they're putting on I think the market is just simply waiting for the news in 3 minutes. So 40 in Tirinko captain set up on a switch trade and a retest of it. So the market is stabilizing this 55 to 25 point range that the market is holding on to. And if you look at the 30 in Tirinko, it's very similar. Captain set up along, came in and retested, and it's holding. So that's going to be the pivot point for the news in 2 minutes. As long as we continue to protect that low, the market may be counter trending and going all the way back to 102. One minute. One minute. Damn. Here comes the news. Captain set up short on the 100 in Tirinko, by the way. Look at that. See that captain? That's captain. And here goes another captain setup. That's negative behavior. Speed, range, and behavior. Speed is fast, range is expanding, behavior is short. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 977. $977 is hit. Next target is 952. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Target is hit. Target is hit. Next target is 927. We're almost at T5 right here. Hit T5 and bounce back to the tick. Market is in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 927. That's my short right here at the first touch of Harmony Zone number 1. Let's see if we get there. Taking out the stops, very close to our target of 927. The rallies are not that strong. I'm gonna cancel that order. It's not relevant anymore. Or actually, I could just move it down to here, 53. Target is 877. Captain set up long on the 40 NT Rinko. Okay, so this order is not relevant anymore. Well, unless I just move it down here. I think we just have to kind of trade. Wow. All right. Where's that target? 852 is our target. I'm going to cancel this order and just wait. Just massive selling. A potential captain set up long if we break 910. 910. Watch for 910. If we get there, the market is going to counter trend. It's going to run to 910 here in a second. Yeah, so it is a captain set up long on the 70 NT wrinkle. We're going to go to like 920, 930 here in a minute. Market is going to counter trend. So we're looking for these pullbacks for scalping purposes only to the upside. Here comes the 920 and most likely 930 soon. Here comes the 930. I mean, we got very close. They put on a captain setup short, so they're probably gonna fade it back in here. Yeah, here it comes. Here comes that 30. I mean, it's kind of predictable, right? A little bit. I mean, look at it right here. 70 NT wrinkle captain set up short right at a whole number. I mean, what do we expect to happen? It's just a counter trend to 20 and 30, and here it's the test. So if they make a higher low here, then you know that the market is reversing and going to 952. That's good behavior. That's the long behavior. Here we go. Next target is 977. 977. How's everybody doing, by the way? Sheila, Adam, where you at? Adam, Becca. Hey, DJ. Just saw you in the room, buddy. Happy New Year's. Good to see you. Marty, where you at, Marty? Matthew, safe. Any trades? Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it done, Mike. Hey, it doesn't matter, Becca. Decision is a decision. Trade is a trade, right? It's a rough market, man. But yeah, let's keep working. We're getting volatility. Eeh. Let's keep working. Let's keep working. I know. I forgot it's Friday. Make your money and be gone. Target is 77, right? So we're coming up to target 77. We're hitting a whole number right here. So we're getting a little bit of resistance. We got support, harmony zone number 1 and 2. We'll reevaluate the longs if we break anything under 55. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade base. Well, I mean, I say a swing trade basis, but really what we're having here is a counter trend behavior. Okay, and we have a target of 21,027.75. Then we have another target at T2, which is 21,089. So if the market is counter trending, you'll see it try to test the 46, then go to the 89. But along the way, we're going to experience a bit of resistance because there's so many people stuck in this price action. Okay, so the short-term trend is a counter trend. The overall trend is short. So we gotta have to follow the 200 NT Rinko and try to let it guide us into the next trade. Now, if the market hits these levels and pulls back and the market gets out of sync, then I'm gonna start looking for shorts again. But we're not there. I mean, there's a stop run that the market can do under 82, and the market has the probability of extended price actions. Here comes well, I mean, they tried 82. So like 82 would be a nice flush into support, and then we'll see how well, if the market makes a higher low or not. Here we go. So 82, get to 82, then 75. Boom. Damn. Target number 4. Got hit. Swing traded target. Got hit. 52.75 is the next target. Good job, Becca. Yeah, second touch would have blown you on that one. Your first touch. You never want to be late to the party, DJ, right? You don't get paid. Yes, sir. There's buyers here, guys. There's buyers. So 52 is our target. 52. Let's go. See, all of it started with that 70 NT Rinko Captain setup. Let's just take a look. See that one? I mean, that was the money. Once the market did this, take another look here of price stability after a 70 NT Rinko Captain setup. Boom. Test, test, run. Obviously, it didn't hold for too long, but that... Let's see if I can find you another one. That's a Captain setup short. Ran retest, came back in. Captain setup short, boom. Captain setup short, boom. Boom, boom, Captain setup. Every single one of these gave you some money and or a lot. That's a Captain setup long right here. I should have taken that one. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Look at that. Boom. Damn it. Woo. The longs are active. Longs are active. That was my trade right there. Well, it's both sides of the market, DJ. I mean, it's fast either way. The longs, the shorts, and the stops. They all come quick. We almost hit that target of 52 and the market faded. So watch out here. We may get an oversized pullback because of that. See that? That's an oversized. Yep. That's Captain set up short on the 40 NT Rinko. I should have seen that one. See that? Captain set up short right here at 33. So you may gonna get a little bit of selling pressure that's gonna step in at this distribution area. Whenever we see a market that hits a target and not cross it, we should expect a bit of selling coming in. If we break 22.75, that'll be a captain setup switch trade on the 40 NT Rinko. So that would be another sign that the market is going to most likely trace back to 2100. Captain setup long on the 30. So you're getting mixed market here. Six prong captain set up long on the 30 NT Rinko. So now we're getting this mixed market here. It's a mixed market, but the longs are the force, and we hit the target. Okay, that's good. Now pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis with a target of 77. 77. Okay, we sure will. Target. Here we go again, trying to test and touch, and they're pulling back. That's our target right here, which is 77. Where's Steven? Steven is not here. Next target is 102. So we're hitting these targets on the upside, guys. I mean, they are running through people left and right and center. So if we look at where we at in price action, we're in the middle of the range, and that's the typical area where the market gets faded. So I need to be careful of an oversized pullback. Still, the pullbacks are viable, but right here is an area where the market, like look what they did here, ran it up right to the middle of that range and boom, sold it. You're gonna see that type of behavior across the board. Look at here, very close here, very close here. Market hits the middle of the range and comes back in. So trying to be long and aggressive here is a little bit riskier than average. So we need to be careful. And we're about to disconnect, by the way. The market is about to go out of sync here. I mean, if they end up hitting 38, which we're looking like we're about to fade. There's stops right under 54. So they're trying to protect them right now. And they're hitting harmony zone number 1, which is support. But if we get anything under 38, then the market is out of sync. So a little bit of caution in this area, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Here it comes. Yeah, first touches. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you have to be kind of quick on those too, just in case, because sometimes they just like slice right through them. And we're gonna see a little bit of selling coming in here, so watch out. Here it comes. They're taking out the stops, and you got the 41, and here you gotta see how well they're gonna handle it. Yep. Damn it. I wanted that 41. You have to be quick with this market. You really do. Yeah, yeah. You almost have to wait for the 200 Intirinko to break into that 100 and a reversal of 102, 21,275, which is the bottom end right here. So if we break that, then rallies become shortable on a swing trade basis. Right now, you're getting a market that is strong, even though you're getting pullbacks because of the distribution in the middle of the range trading. You're still getting buyers stepping in at support. So that is not necessarily showing me the shorts are very convincing. They're not very convincing right here. So you gotta do. We have to do a bit of stop analysis. Like, okay, you take the stops by how much? 5 points reverse, 10 points reverse, 15 points reverse. All of that is bullish. Every bit of it is. Because typically, if they're running the stops to change the trend, they will take it a little bit further and do more damage on rallies. And that's not what the market is doing here. Damn, look at that. Boom. Target is hit. Next target is 127.75. Adam, this kind of market really gets you. So uh, watch it. Try not to fade this type of market because you're looking for the reversal, and they're running you over. And I could only see it in my mind how you're trading it. So just be careful. Well, do you know what? Then I stand corrected, sir. You surprised me. I like to be wrong. Adam's saying, hey, dude, what are you talking about being short? I'm long. I learned. I learned the hard way. I like it. Good job, Adam. My man. Target is 127. Let's go. they now they're trying to fade it. Look at these bastards. Yeah. So there's a little bit of selling pressure. Look at that. Mm. Yo, go buddy. First touch, here it comes. Hmm. That's some crazy shit going on here. Yeah, look at that. Boom. That's the reversal that we were talking about. Like, be careful here, be careful. Yeah. Be careful. Yeah, we're about to reverse this thing and then rallies become shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 102. I mean, 21,002. Nice captain setup long here. So we're having a captain set up short on the 50 NT Rinko. So we gotta watch this area closely. Here we go. It's starting to pay too. 50 NT Rinko. So now 50, 21,050 is going to be a pivot point. If the longs break it, then we're going to get 60, 70, and or we're going to break the 100. So the setup here is short, and the market is short. So that's the direction we should be taking rallies to short into. Okay. This is rough. Okay, short, 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 short. And target is 977. Ten o'clock, top of the hour. Getting a reaction here. Target is 977. Boom, we hit it. We hit it and we stopped right at it. So we need to break the 77.75, and here it comes. Next target, 952. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a bigger target of 952. Dang it. Yeah, target's 927. Market is short. Target is 927. $68. If we go to 68, this market is gonna run up hard. Well, I mean, it's gonna run up to the 80s. Target is 927. Are you guys improving any? Adam, Becca, DJ, Sheila, Marty, Matthew, safe. Matthew, I haven't heard from you, man. How we doing? I mean, I can take on that. Let's see here, 80, the 80 rally. We'll see if we can get there. Actually, I'll take the 84. taking out the stops right under that 40. Potential captain set up long on the 50 NT Rinko with a 60 NT 60 entry. It's coming. So I'm gonna hold off on my short because if the 50 shows up at 60, I may just jump in and take it. If I'm gonna be ahead of it, I will take the 48. Maybe try that with one, but it has to happen first. Nah, it's not happening. I mean, it's a short market, so that's fine. We're very close to our target of 927. Most likely the market is going to jump to the 50 here very quickly. Potential 6-pound captain set up long at 42. Here you go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go higher. 50s and 60s coming up. Well, maybe not. Here it comes. Here it comes, 50s. Comes the 50s. I mean, this is what I'm looking at right here. I mean, that's why. I mean, that's a 6 prong captain setup on the 30 NT Rinko, so it's gonna most likely jump up to 60 very quickly right now. You got a switch trade right here. Here you go, 60. I mean, it's just. Let them pull it back. Let's see how well they want to handle this mess. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna push it back up to the 60s. I mean, there is a little bit of breaking this trend right here that we are in. Channel number 1. Let's see where they want to hold on to it here. The dominant force is short. The big target is 927, but we're recognizing that 6 prong captain set up long, where the market is really trying hard to protect that. So that's going to be an area where even if they break the 30 and they come back up, it becomes an area of support, that whole structure. And you definitely want to see how they handle a stop run right under 30. Here they come for it. Excellent, excellent. See that? See how they did that? That was a shakeout. They just shook people out. That's all they just did there. They reached under the 30, picked up the stops, and ran it up. I mean, that's a stability price structure. Yeah, the market is out of sync. Pullbacks are ultimately the overall trend is short, but we're getting a pocket right here of buyers. Most likely they're gonna test harmony zone number two, which is the 80s to the 90s. So we may be getting a bit of buying interest and price stability, especially with this stop run that they just did under the 30, and then they're taking out the stops right above 65, and most likely they'll fade those people into the middle of the range, and then they'll consolidate here. As long as they're making a higher low, then you have a shot at getting to the 80s and the 90s. But we're definitely recognizing a pocket of buyers coming in here and a stop run that got bought up. ES is weaker. So I mean, I mean, obviously they followed what NQ did. They took out the stops, ran it back up, and now they're fading this area. I would say, till proven otherwise, we have to kind of be looking at rallies as a shorting opportunity in ES, and because it's weaker than NQ. Like NQ, I can play the pocket to the upside very quickly, but on ES, it's not gonna move as much, especially if you're playing options. So I would rather stay on the short side on rallies, because you're gonna get better return on the trade, because the motion is a little bit more aggressive on the short side. So that is a discrepancy between how ES and NQ is kind of behaving right now. I'd rather be short ES, and uh, and on a longer term, yes, on NQ on the short side, but we are experiencing this pocket of interest. We have harmony zone number one, which is 68 by 71 short, and 75 by 78 short for ES. So any rally up in those levels, we're looking to pick up some momentum to the downside. If we break anything above 75, that will put a pause on trying to get short in ES. Potential captain set up short on the 57 in Q. Here we go. Captain set up on the 40 short right here. So now we're getting a counter. The shorts are coming back in and pushing. So that's going to be a pivot point 75. The longs got to break that. It's 10:28. I mean, I got to take another trade here if I can find one. I mean, I'm finding a lot of them actually. Just I want to spend a little bit more time understanding this price action. That would be interesting. I mean, if we get to 45, this market, yeah. Let's see here. Interesting. No, they didn't get there. All right. Hit the target. Next target, 902. That's a big number. That 902 is a big number. I'm going to step away for just a minute. I need to get some water. I'll be back. All right, guys. So what is it? It's 10. Okay, so I see that they ran this baby back up, right? Fucking stupid. Yeah, that was a pullback here. Captain set up long on the 40 NT Rinko. All right, so an idea here is 58. 58 will trigger a long because that's the captain setup switch trade. I'm gonna get in here and add to it and look for a run into the 70s. Stop is 43 really. Here goes. Let's go. Took one out. T2 is, damn it, T2. I'll take that T2 out. I wanted more. I wanted more, but I'll take what they gave me. 300 bucks. Okay, so what's the rationale here? I mean, look at it. Captain setup, switch trade on the 40 NT Rinko. I needed to get in. I mean, that's the bottom line. But I was hoping to see a bit more momentum up to 70 and without that pause that we just saw. But 1, 2, and 3. There you go. And on top of it, you got the 30 NT Rinko. So, I mean, we may be getting another shot at it with this pullback right here for T375. Let's see if we can get in. Captain, probably will see 70 here. No, no bueno. If it gets up there, I'll buy 2. Yeah, it didn't. Canceling that order. I mean, that's a captain setup. They trapped that long. The market is out of sync, so it's a two-sided market. The stops are at under 32. Okay. Anybody having issues with their quotes? Yeah, it looks like something is wrong with my quotes. Anybody? Yeah, see that? Okay, now it's updating. Are we in sync, guys, or no? Okay, we're about to hit our target, or actually not target, it's a reversal price. Here we go. Wow. Okay, so the market is back in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. 877 and 877 is the target. Let's start looking that direction. So we're playing around a whole number. I mean, the expectation is a selling pressure coming in here. You break the 995, you're going to pick up some steam and momentum. I mean, there's a lot of stops under that 95. And here comes that momentum. Yeah, yeah, that's That's good. Shorts. Market is in sync on the short side. Matthew safe. Okay, safe is twice. Sheila. Okay. Question. I have a question for you guys. Hey Frida, how are you? It's Friday. What do you guys feel like doing? Do you want to run it all the way to the end of the day, or just kind of call it a day right here and we'll start Monday? I mean, the past week we've been running a full session. So if I get enough votes saying, yeah, let's call it. Marty says call it. Call it, G. Call it. All right. I would say we're going to call it. We're going to call it a day. Next time, Adam, Monday we'll run a full session. Well, the same thing with me, Becca. It's all snowed in here in Dallas and Frisco. So I got nothing else to do but just sit in front of this machine and try and make it happen. Dallas got serious snow. It's like a foot, which is a big deal here in Texas. LA is burning. LA is burning, and Dallas, Texas is under a foot of snow. Go figure. I talked to him yesterday. I talked to Steven yesterday, and he was like, "Oh man, it's not too far away, and they can see the flames from his balcony, and it's a bad deal." I was like, "Man, stay safe. It's no joke." Well, our prayers go to LA. I think the Hollywood sign is burning up too. That's a big deal. They're saying it's going to take $52 billion to recover the damage that has been done so far, and it's not over. Adam, you travel to LA, man. I don't know if you where you go to is close to where the fires is at. I know you spend you are in LA right now? Smoky? Well, stay safe, brother. We need you back. You still get the smoke, yeah. Well, what's the What's the news from the ground over there? Because you're closer to it than anybody else. Are they saying they have a handle on it, or it's a raging fire? And what is it? Well, here you go, Marty. You're getting that next push that you're talking about. I mean, they put a captain setup here, but two captain setups actually. One with a testing and retesting with another captain setup, and now a lower high. So if they put on a switch trade here with a close at 88, it doesn't look like they're doing that. But if they end up doing that, then that's the flush. I mean, you could come in here and pull back, and that also be a signal. Prakash, good morning. I mean, obviously, if we're talking about speed, range, and behavior, speed is moderate, range is expanding, and behavior is short. That's what we're doing here. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm going to call it a day, and bright and early Monday morning, and we'll go at it. Guys, have a blessed one. Take care. Oh, yeah. Replay. Sorry. I almost forgot about that. Let me see here. Okay, so Rebecca. So you come in here on your NinjaTrader, go to playback and select, are you with me? Select the playback button. Okay. So let me see. I mean, I don't know if it's going to let me. Here we go. So once you get here, market, you're going to click on market replay and go to your contract. So that's the contract. Then once you do that, come into the instrument at the bottom and select that, and then select the days, the day that you want to replay, and select the day before it, the day of, and the day after it. So keep selecting. So okay, so today is 9th, you go to the 8th, for example. Let's assume that that's what you want to do, and click download. So what it's going to do, it's going to download that day for you. Okay, so that day is downloaded. So I want to download the 7th. And the 6th. Okay, so and you're back. Like if you want to trade a specific day, almost like you have to download the whole week, and then click continue once you're done. It's going to ask you to close. This is the part that I'm not going to be doing. You're going to be doing on your own. It close all the other connections that you have. So in my case, I have, I have all these connections. So I'm going to exit Apex, Coinbase, and my stock account, and just keep the playback enabled, and you should be good to go at that point. If you run into any trouble, just you know my number. Reach out, and I'll help you. Okay. I'm just gonna give you my number again, just in case you don't have it handy. Yeah, you should be able to test trades, go back, forth, enable the speed. So you want it 1 times the market, or 5 times the market, or 500 times the market. Yeah, Matthew, I do. So use that. Here we go. I'm gonna give you guys my number. 469-216-1507. All right. So that's my number, and I have a WhatsApp, so you could just reach out to me there. Here you go. That's for everybody. Most of you have it. In our private room, you have it. But if you don't, here it is. And just add me, and we'll talk. All right, guys. Thank you. It was fun. We'll see you Monday.